So good morning everyone. My name is Afsha and I am a student of 11th class. Today once again we have gathered here to do a debate. The topic of the debate is about sports should be mandatory or not. So well, in my perception, sports shouldn't be mandatory in the school. So well, let's start. First of all, I would like to talk about instrument and equipments. As you know that right now in all the schools, sport is there. Okay, but it's not mandatory. But however, if I talk about country level, so you can see that in the India there are 28 states. Okay, and let me put some data in front of you all that recently Gujarat government spent 24.45 crore rupees only for the equipments. And if I talk about second government, Haryana government, so 74.85 lakh rupees Haryana government spent, and Rajasthan 78.64 crore rupees spent. So now only 3 states I have told you that how many money they have spent. Talk about all the country, there are 28 states. So how many money will be spent? So you can assume that how much money will be spent by a government. So in the reality, in the practically, it's not possible to make mandatory sport in all the schools. That is why I'm in the against of it. Now you may stop.
Okay. Okay. My opponent Afsha spoke about money, that a lot of money government have to spend on the sports, on the equipments. So what's wrong in that? I asked to Afsha a simple question: what's wrong in that? My opponent comes, sometimes they come and say government doesn't spend any money on us, on the education, on sport doesn't spend. Now government is spending money, so what's wrong in that? Now I would like to speak my second point, which is prevention of screen addiction. So you know what, nowadays it's a technical era, and every student, even every people, even every student has every person, sorry sir, every person. Now I would like to speak my second point, which is prevention of screen addiction. You know what, in this technical area, every person era, in technical era, every person sir, every person and even every student has surgery. Okay sir, I will speak my second point again. So now I would like to speak my second point over here, that is prevention of screen addiction. Nowadays in this technical era, every person has their own mobile phone. Even every student has their own mobile phones. So whole day they keep using their mobile phone. So prevention of the screen addiction, we should mandatory. We should do. Yeah, we should make it mandatory in the schools. So because of it, people will get interest in playing on the playground. Now you may speak.
Okay, when I put my first point, so she was talking about that why are you this much worried if our government spends this much money, and what is the problem here? So well, sister, if I say to you, do you really do not know the condition of the India? In the India there are other sectors as well, and our government has to focus on other sectors as well. That is why I mentioned this point. Like as you can see that there are poverty sector as well, unemployment sector is as well here. So our government has to focus on every sector. So there are a lot of problems, and you are talking about here, what's wrong in that? Don't you really know that our government has a lot of debt? Okay, and our government has borrowed a lot of money from the other countries. So it is really very, it's not impossible, it's not possible for our country. So that is why I mentioned this point. And you were in your first point, you were mentioning that assume that without a sport, a school like singing, like these kind of things. So well, here you should know this thing that in the school sport is there. But why? Our question is that why you're saying that it should be mandatory? if you are interested, so you can talk to a sport teacher. She will definitely join you in the sport period. So this thing should be like this. It shouldn't be mandatory. Why? Because if I talk about interest, everyone is not interested in the sport. So because of this thing, what will happen? Like our government will spend a lot of money for purchasing equipments. Okay, so when students are not interested, so money will waste. So that is why I was talking about that it shouldn't be mandatory.
Okay, as she is mentioning again and again that money, government has to spend a lot of money. So it's not like that. Government has a lot of money. Why are you worried about it? You don't. I think you should not think about the money. Now I would like to mention about my third point, that is physical health and mental health. As we know, to prevention of obesity from the students' life, we should make it mandatory. And if I talk about the holistic development, so you know what, our life is not only about the books knowledge and the everyday we should get the knowledge. It's not about this. We should also do other thing. We also should know about other thing like sports, football, cricket. We should also know about these kind of things. So when these sports will be mandatory in the school, so of course every student will get chance to will get.
Okay.